This is the number 18 Seagull Word Study Quiz. Number 1, Academy. He attended the academy in the next town. Number 1 is academy. Number 2, syllable. The dictionary has the syllable breakdown of each word. Number 2 is syllable. Number 3, diplomat. The man was a diplomat from another country. Number 3 is diplomat. Number 4, triviality. The triviality of the situation made her laugh. Number 4 is triviality. Number 5, punitive. The man had to pay punitive damages for the accident. Number 5 is punitive. Number 6, allege. The policeman would allege that he was at the scene of the crime. Number 6 is allege. Number 7, copy. Could I please get a copy of the assignment? Number 7 is copy. Number 8, diverse. I liked the diverse population of the university. Number 8 is diverse. Number 9, diplomatic. The principal was very diplomatic when addressing the school board. Number 9 is diplomatic. Number 10, divert. The robber tried to divert the attention of the bank teller. Number 10 is divert. Number 11, syllabic. The syllabic breakdown was available for the students. Number 11 is syllabic. Number 12, defamatory. The defamatory comments hurt the politician's chance of getting office. Number 12 is defamatory. Number 13, diversion. There was a diversion in class that got everyone's attention. Number 13 is diversion. Number 14, copious. There was copious amounts of food at the buffet. Number 14 is copious. Number 15, academic. His academic progress was impressive. Number 15 is academic. Number 16, impugn. The man could not impugn his wife's ability to raise the children. Number 16 is impugn. Number 17, allegation. The lawyer made an allegation about the person on trial. Number 17 is allegation. Number 18, trivial. If something is trivial, it is very small and unimportant. Number 18 is trivial. Number 19, punish. In our law system, we punish people who have been proven guilty. Number 19 is punish. Number 20, defame. The opponent tried to defame the man running against him. Number 20 is defame. Number 21, diplomacy. The doctor had a very good bedside manner and addressed the family with diplomacy. Number 21 is diplomacy. Number 22, pugnacious. You could tell the gentleman was pugnacious and looking to pick a fight. Number 22 is pugnacious. #23, impunity. The senator had impunity from being punished. Number 23 is impunity. Number 24, pugnacity. You could tell the man's pugnacity because he was ready to pick a fight at any moment. Number 24 is pugnacity.